In this portion of the lab, we're going to show how to disable the root login altogether within our configuration file. So we'll go back to our server and we'll edit sshd_config once again. The line item we're looking for is permit root login. If you can't find it right away, you can search it, and so we'll do that. Permit root login, and there it is. And you can see that root login is set to yes right now. Now, quite often on other systems, it may be set to prohibit password, which means that you can't connect via root with a password, but you can connect with a key. However, in this case, on this particular system, permit root login is yes. That's a definite security no-no. And we've mentioned this a couple times. We connected to an Arch virtual machine in the cloud as root, and we talked about it a couple times. We said you really don't want to connect directly as root by way of password or key or any other authentication method. So your best bet here is to change it from yes to no. Again, you might also see prohibit-password. That means that you cannot connect by passwords, but you can connect by keys. I'm going to leave it as no altogether so that root connections cannot be made at all. And we'll do a systemctl restart on SSHD. Let's go to the client side and try to connect directly as root. And it's going to say connection refused, but that's because it's trying to connect on port 22, where right now we have to use 2222. But again, it's going to say permission denied. You have to do a public key connection because we said, okay, we're not using passwords at all anymore. We disabled those in the last sub-lesson. You have to connect by key. But even if we had a key copied over, it still wouldn't work because we've disabled root login altogether at the permit root login line item. So it should fail for a variety of reasons. So slowly we're adding layers and securing our SSH server more and more. And these are some of the main things that I do when I set up SSH servers for customers or for myself. And that's it for this sub-lesson.